What to do, brother? Let me fix my lighting. This shit sucks. Damn, dude. I fucking hate when my white light is like... Oh, I'm just gonna not look at it and get over it. Good morning, boys. Or good afternoon for some of y'all. Choppy session for GJ, I'd say. Very choppy session that we've had on GJ. We've literally been stuck in the sideways range. Do you think that light needs to be turned off? Or is it just this one? This one. Honestly, I don't mind it. All right. I'm pretty bullish on what GJ's doing right now, chat. From Tunis. Nice, brother. I'm pretty bullish on GJ due to the fact that, I mean, we were in this little sideways range area, right? And what was my confirmation that we were probably going for buys? The fact that we broke the support level, or if you want to consider it this support level, broke beneath it, and then we flew aggressively past it. So what I understand from this is that we had a liquidity grab, right? And if we liquidity grabbed to the downside, it's most likely because we are waiting to continue bullishly. So realistically, we were supposed to be hopping in during this 30-minute candlestick. Nonetheless, if we didn't, what we should do right now is wait for this 30-minute candlestick to possibly make a low, right? Price might range a little bit since it exploded about an hour ago or 2 hours ago, and prices didn't really seem to be like flying on GJ. It really looks like it's just gonna, you know, have an impulse and then correct itself for a while, have an impulse, correct itself for a while. So the more that this goes down, the more we're gonna prepare ourselves to hop into GJ longs. That's plan one. We come down to gold. When we come down to gold, gold's melting, right? We clearly see that off the daily candlestick chart. Let's erase everything. Daily candlestick is a monster. It's beneath the 8 SMA, which is the only reason why I'm kind of in the mood to just take a buy and see how it plays out and reacts, but that will definitely be very risky. Actually, what about a 10 pip stop? 10 pip stop buy. Damn, is that more than 10 pips? That's huge. Yo, these candlesticks are huge. That's 10 pips right there. Are you kidding me? Fuck that. Oh my god, that is massive. That's 10. Oh my god, that's 100 points, chat. Am I tripping? This is gold, bro. Look at the size of these candlesticks. Terrible week. I'm going bald. Bro, look at the size of these fucking gold candlesticks. Are you guys kidding me? Oh my god. Let me try out something real quick. All right, there. All right, terrible week. I'm going bald. All right, boys. I kind of want to trade gold right now because the volatility is so fucking high on it. Are you kidding me? This is what I usually throw the stop loss. This thing's tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. But I feel like we could make ourselves some good money on this, believe it or not. Pulling out the 200K account. Pulling out the big guns. All right, when we were looking at this gold situation right now here, chat, right? We've obviously been very, very bullish. We're finally beneath a strong level of support. I mean, I expect us to keep on going bearish, but I'm trying to catch a bullish retracement as a trade. How is that going to be possible? Either wilting, waiting for... gold looks better than GJ. Yeah, GJ looks... I mean, it's going bullish. We expected it to go bullish. Just very awkward position because it has so much downside that it could potentially go to. Wow, dude. I mean, this candlestick is probably a fake out. The one that we're looking at right now, we're not in a buy right now, so don't just start executing buys. But this might be a fake out. We might actually just continue going short right here. Just started live stream. Woke Money Concepts on YouTube. Don't miss out, boys. See you there. Me fui de vacaciones. No, this thing's going already. God damn. You think we should put ourselves in the sell on gold? Does anybody like the sell on gold right now? Or you guys think that this is the bullish move that we should start catching? I mean, this wick fill's happening. I was fucking too late to it. My trade locker wasn't opened. Why am I always a second too late? Or am I just like exaggerating? But god damn, bro. Y'all saw that. Yeah, we have gold looking like it's about to go. It is giving me good vibes. Let's be a little bit more patient, though. These candlesticks are huge, chat. This could be a real quick trade. It could be a real... I think buy is better than sell, but we still can have a better entry. To be honest, I do like this trade. I think this is about to explode upwards. I was too late to enter on. Dude, such an easy trade. Why is it like that? It's just such an easy trade to catch there. NASDAQ done, GJ done. I mean, gold is like the only thing that we actually have right now to trade. Wow. It's fucking stupid, bro. Oh my God. Next 15-minute candlestick is about to close at this SMA. I'm expecting this 15-minute candlestick to close beneath this 15-minute SMA, tricking sellers into thinking that we're respecting it, but nonetheless, next candlestick is going to open and disrespect the shit out of this. There it is. Next candlestick opened. It's about to fly. It's literally about to fly, that 15-minute candlestick. $15-minute candlesticks. Look how this is the SMA fake out that I always talk about. 15-minute candlestick closed beneath the 8 SMA. Nonetheless, next 15-minute candlestick opens and then disrespects it. So it's like a fake out because it wants you to think that we respected this 8 SMA. And so therefore a bunch of sellers hop in. Nonetheless, we're still bullish. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, boys. If you guys have not seen the reel that I posted today, check it out. Oh my God, man. Gold is moving like a motherfucker right now. This thing's huge. Do we have any news coming up? That'd be interesting to see. No, no, no. Governor Bailey speaks at 1 p.m. It's late as balls. That already happened. Everything already happened. Oh! I mean, last option I'm looking at are these GU sells, but GU, honestly, I think it's already been too bearish. And with the way that GJ is looking, I mean, I'd expect GU possibly to recover and start going bullish again. Right now with NASDAQ on a run, NASDAQ, and NASDAQ's going to keep on going. I mean, we're going to have a lot of opportunities these upcoming weeks for NASDAQ to start reaching all-time highs again. So make sure you guys have those targets set. I mean, make sure you guys are paying attention to that. Every major retracement that we have on the NASDAQ should be a clear opportunity for you to take longs. These are the NASDAQ longs that we were taking like maybe last week or the beginning of the week or last week. Not even sure. I think it was last week. Nope. This is the beginning of the week. This was yesterday. Sorry for the yawn. All right, gold. Gold is still pushing bullish right now. Our last 15-minute candlestick was a rocket. This 15-minute candlestick followed up with the same. I think this 15-minute candlestick that we're looking at right now has to be almost the same size as this previous one. So I think there's a lot more to the upside or a lot more to the downside that we still have not seen. Boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys drop a like on the stream. It helps the channel grow immensely. I would truly appreciate it. Boys, if you guys have not seen the latest reel posted on my Instagram story, make sure you guys go check that out. It's about the market makers. It is a skit. It is a funny video. None like any I've ever posted before, so I hope you guys enjoy it. It's not long, but it's entertaining, I guess. Who knows? It's just funny. This thing's about to keep on going. Like it has, oof, bro. If just the next major retracement we get on gold, boys, make sure you guys spam me. Make sure you guys alert the chat, because next major retracement we have on gold, I mean, this is our target right now. As long as we get to this area right here. All right, we're gonna hit this area up here before we hit this area down here. That's as simple as it makes. Now, do I want to hop into a fucking trade that looks like this? Absolutely not. You know. Now, if I had to, I would. I don't think I'm gonna have to. I'm expecting some sort of retracement. I'm expecting some sort of downward motion. Did my stream cut off right now for a second, or no? That was just my YouTube not loading. Boom! Major retracement on the way. All right, boom, major retracement. We got what we wanted. We got what we wanted. Oh. We literally got what we wanted now. This is where we have to seize opportunity. If it melts, we're wrong on the bias. If it flies, we make a lot of money. It's that simple. How low can you go, gold? Come on, drop for me. Drop. Drop. That's a 30-minute candlestick. This 30-minute candlestick is going to close with a wick. Hopefully, we get to close with a wick so we get the next 30-minute candlestick to wick fill. Makes sense? So, I mean, right now, the more this retraces, the better for us. Now, if it starts going bullish, that means we're most likely going to close with a motherload 30-minute candlestick. So, everybody, fucking start blowing on the candlesticks for them to go down. Praying to the sell lords. Let's get this gold to come down a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, if we go long, imagine we were to be. Oh no, we don't need to be impatient. We're gonna be patient. Drop. 88, 70. All right, so 68. A 20 pip stop loss. Should we wait for the close? It really comes down to the. It really depends on where you chose your stop loss, right? I'm thinking about not waiting for the close and then just throwing a stop loss where I have it right now. Like this right here looks like a successful trade to me. It's a 20 pip stop loss. I usually throw 10. Nonetheless, candlesticks are huge. This is a 110. The one candlestick is 10 pips. I executed. Stop loss. Big bullish candlestick, boys. We are in this trade. Very simple explanation for today's trade. Realistically, we have a 30-minute candlestick that opened up very aggressively, made a huge movement to the top side, and now it's going to close within 5 minutes and potentially will leave a huge wick. If it doesn't, it means that it's going to close aggressively bullish, which means we are in the clear. Now, if it doesn't and it keeps on retracing, that will just mean that we have a huge wick to the top side that the next 30-minute candlestick will open up and then just wick fill. So why does this trade look so good to me? Realistically, it looks amazing to me due to the fact that we have, two major levels of support and resistance. And we got to ask ourselves, right? One level, two level. We got to ask ourselves, where does it look like we're headed to? Does it look like we're headed downwards, or does it look like we're headed upwards? Regardless of that, I am thinking that we're headed upwards. Therefore, I have a stop loss all the way down here. If we hit this area right here, I am out of my trade. Anywhere else, I still think that my trade is valid. And that's why I have a stop loss all the way down there. It's already a big bullish candlestick on the hourly, right? This hourly closes in 5 minutes. Realistically, could we see a little bit more retracement? 100%. But I'm expecting with a new candlestick to open, volume to come in, and just push price upwards pretty easily. Could I be wrong? Never. Me fui de vacaciones. All right, 2 minutes left, or is it 4 minutes left? Yeah, it's 4 minutes left. While we wait, chat, let me use the restroom real quick. All right, new 30-minute candlestick is exactly hey done in the strategy. When can we have a second entry in the same position? 100%. 100%. Right now I would not add it. No, right now I would not add it. Definitely not. Come on. Push. What I wanted to look at was this 30-minute candlestick looking like this. There you go. Wick to be filled. Wick being filled. Now we just need momentum to continue. 15-minute bullish, 15-minute continuation candlestick, new 15-minute bullish. I mean, this is essential stuff that we teach. Oh my god, it turned around. All right. 15-minute candlestick struggling a little bit. Hourly. That's not good to the downside. I'm going to close out the trade a pip and draw down, honestly. I wanted it to be a little bit of a bigger 30-minute candlestick opening, and I'm not really down to hold this trade through what this is right here. So I'm actually going to close out before I regret. Even though I usually don't ever close out. I think that this is a good call right here. Yeah, I'm going to go with the closeout. We're considering a break even, chat. I don't like how this looks right here. This 2-hour wick fill to the downside. Wow, it's crazy. Let's go look at GJ real quick. Oh, she looks bearish as balls. What about GU? Bearish. Damn, I feel like it's gonna fly now that I closed. We can still have a better buy entry. Now, let's be patient. Let's just stay away from this real quick. I still think that this might come downwards. 30-minute looks clean. I mean, we had our wick fill. I thought it was just gonna be a lot bigger of that wick fill. I do remember both of you. Now it's a shame on me. Now I saw you in trouble when you walked in. All right. Hopefully she doesn't go right now. That would piss me off. That will piss me off. This 2 hour looks too deadly, Lyle. This is why I closed. Look at this fucking huge wick to the downside that needs to get wick filled. Are you the guy who wanted your wick? He wanted to wick up his fair value gap. I'm pretty sure that's him. Damn, dude, this thing's about to start pushing.